Hi, today we are giving this IdeaPad a small upgrade, swapping the RAM and adding an SSD. Here's what you will need: a screwdriver, a suction cup, and an opening pick. Before you start, check your specific model. Internal layouts vary between versions, so what you see inside might not match this one exactly. We are using a 14-inch IdeaPad Slim 5i Gen 11 today. First, power off the laptop. Flip it over so the bottom is facing up and remove all the screws on the back. Keep them organized as you go. Once all the screws are out, don't pry the cover off by hand. Use the suction cup to lift one corner and open a small gap. Then run the opening pick along the edge to release the clips. Take your time here, light pressure, slow and steady, and the clips giving way one at a time. With the cover off, find three things: the RAM slot, the SSD, and the battery cable. Before you touch anything else, disconnect the battery cable first. That keeps the laptop fully off while you work. Okay, let's start with the RAM. Open the shielding cover, push the clips on both sides outward,
and then existing RAM pops up on its own. Line up the notch on the new RAM,
slide it in an angle until it's all the way in, then press it flat. When the clip snaps shut, it's seated. Now adding the SSD. Remove the retaining screw, line the SSD up with the slot, slide it in at an angle. Once it's all the way in, press it flat and screw it back down. Don't over tighten, just secure enough to hold. RAM and SSD are in. Don't close the laptop just yet. Reconnect the battery cable first, then do a quick check. RAM clipped in, SSD seated, cables connected. If everything looks right, set the cover back on. Press around the edges so the clips snap shut and put the screws back on where they come from. And that's the upgrade done. The IdeaPad Slim 5i Gen 11 is now running new RAM and a fresh SSD. Easier than it looks, right? Save this one for the next time you upgrade. The steps are pretty much the same across all IdeaPads.
Lenovo